Hello everyone, how are we doing? I trust this video is something that you probably have been waiting for in the internet. Now AI training is everywhere and everyone is talking about AI, and I get it. Some persons are already feeling lost. I mean, you should feel lost at this point in time if you haven't taken any formal training about AI. We just concluded a training for about 1,000 professionals on AI, and we can see the liberation that it is given. It is given. Now, this is what AI has been doing and what it's consistently doing, right? AI is widening the gap of knowledge. AI is increasing costs, is reducing your purchasing power. AI is making your core skill relegated to almost irrelevant. That's where the irrelevance and redundancy comes from. AI is also going at a pace that is as fast as Usain Bolt and as slow as a tricycle. All right. So if you are out there and you are thinking of AI and you think that AI is here to take your job, no, AI is not here to take your job. It's taking it. So it means that you've been left behind because we've left that milestone. All right. So you need to take a formal training about AI for you to be able to carry out the work, carry out the responsibility. Now, quickly, I'll tell you what should you be doing. What should AI be doing for you at the moment, right? It's not for you to be doing all of your designs and graphic. Hey, if you're a designer, it's a designer and you're a graphic designer and you are, that's okay. What AI is simply just here to do for you as every professional is one, expansive skill. Your skill should not be expansive. It means that you are inducting yourself to be your old self, to be more efficient, right? And then and allowing space for you to evolve as the new you evolve. So what AI is simply telling you is you are in the future, all right? Put down, you are in the future, leave behind your old self and pick up the new self and pick up the pace. So right now we can't see the tracks because the knowledge where AI is and our knowledge gap for upskilling is really, really wide. What can we do at this moment? One, take your training. Don't Yes, there are so many tools online. You can go to the universal platform and take all the trainings, but you need to have a formal training in AI, and this is what we're bringing to you to say, hey, wake up, right? In your skill right now, in your role, you want to ask yourself this: if I am really say I am literate in AI, has it expanded my skill set? And you want to ask yourself, are you 25 times faster? Right now you should be as fast as both, but nobody's as fast as both when it comes, I mean, literally, when it comes to the pace at which AI is evolving and the pace at which we are upskilling to bridge the gap of knowledge. So if you are here and your evaluation is telling you that, okay, AI has not made you expansive in your skill, then you need a formal AI training. If at the moment you're not, if at this moment you're not, your skill is not expansive as a reason of you incorporating AI into your day to day, then you need an AI training. If at this point in time you cannot automate your natural role, your responsibility on your own, a unit role, your own role automation. If you can't to leverage same for productivity and efficiency, then you need a formal AI training. If at this point in time you are not able to create, build a workflow, a process flow, and a workflow, irrespective of your discipline right now, then you need a formal AI training. There is so much propaganda about AI right out there, and I'm afraid that people are getting the wrong perception and creating the wrong perception about AI. AI is simply here to say, leave your old self behind and pick up the new one and be on a journey. But how many of us have taken the pain to study what the rudiment of what we require to be on this journey? And this is why we are calling on everyone out there. We have a new cohort coming up for the formal training for all professions. The last cohort cut across 10 countries. Right now, we're looking to train another group of people. Use the link if you want to be part of that, if you want to be expansive, if you want to understand data, if you want to understand automations, if you want to understand workflows, if you want to understand being expansive in your skill and how to be that, you need to be in the next training coming up. All right. So this is the AI training for all professionals. It's called the Smart Human Revolution, AI powered professional. If you want to be that person, if you see yourself in that space, then this is the training you want to be. And I look forward to seeing you in class. All right. Where we expand your skill, where we show you the what it means to have AI in our day and our time. Okay. If you were still thinking that AI is here to take your job, then AI, we have left you behind. You are now behind. All right. The rates at which the knowledge gap is widening is alarming, and you don't want to be among those that will be caught in that crossfire, that will be relegated and become redundant. At that point in time, what do you want to do? So, I mean, if you're a teacher, you're a trainer, you are a farmer, you are a retail seller, you are a professional, a CS, customer service rep, marketer, sales rep, a BA, right now a BA. If you don't understand, I mean, if you don't understand AI, there's really nothing you can do about you, right? A data analyst, tech, whatever profession you find yourself, you need to have a formal training on AI. And I hope that you make that decision, and I will see you in class. If you do, be among the next smart human we will be certifying on how the rudiment and the right perception about AI. All right? There is a way to work with AI. There is a way to train your own AI. Even if it is generative AI, there's a way to train your AI to understand what you want. There's a way to analyze what AI is giving you. There's a way to detect if AI has given you fluff or if AI is giving you the right thing. You want to be able to make that distinction, don't you? I know you want to. So be in class. I'll see you.